Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return as a salaried person. First, gather all necessary documents. This includes your W-2 form, which shows your annual wages and taxes withheld. Also, collect any other income statements, like Form 1099, if applicable, and records for potential deductions or credits. Having everything organized upfront makes the filing process much smoother and helps ensure accuracy. Next, choose how you want to file. You can file electronically using tax software, which often guides you step by step, or you can opt for traditional paper forms. Many people find online software convenient, and some even offer free filing if your adjusted gross income is below a certain threshold. Select the method that best suits your comfort level and financial situation. Now it's time to complete your return. Carefully enter all information from your W-2 and any other income documents into your chosen software or onto the paper forms. Be sure to claim all eligible deductions and credits, as these can significantly reduce your tax liability or increase your refund. Take your time and ensure every number is accurate to avoid future issues. Finally, thoroughly review your entire tax return before submitting it. Check for any typos, incorrect numbers, or missed deductions. If you are expecting a refund, confirm your bank account details are correct for direct deposit. Once you are confident everything is accurate, submit your return electronically or mail your paper forms by the deadline. Congratulations, you've filed your taxes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.